Are you searching for a way to brighten up your dull skin? If yes, then this video is for you. The most common factors that cause dull skin are unhealthy lifestyle habits, like having an unbalanced diet, lack of proper skincare, lack of sleep, excessive alcohol consumption and more. Today's video will discuss how to make your skin glow overnight. All these factors cause an adverse effect on the state of your skin, and leave it looking dull and lifeless. But there are certain ways through which your skin can get that glow while you sleep. The trick to getting glowing skin overnight is to do the right things before you go to bed. Here are some overnight tricks that can help you make your skin glow. Coconut oil. Most people use coconut oil for hair, but you can also apply coconut oil on your face to get glowing skin. You can even use it as a regular moisturizer. All you have to do is just use a few drops of coconut oil and massage it in, to deeply hydrate your skin. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties, that will help improve the overall health of your skin, and help your skin glow. If you have an acne-prone skin, do a patch test before you apply it on your whole face. You can even add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C oil. Vitamin C brightens dark under eye circles, and helps to repair the damage. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.